Today, we are doing 4 exercises that will target our lower body and our core muscles, which will help with our mobility, our standing, walking, climbing, and sitting. Each exercise is 45 seconds of work, followed by a 15-second break. Please feel free to use a wall or a chair to help with balance. Let's get started.
Okay, the first exercise is a squat. And remember, keep proper form, abdominal muscles engaged, pull back towards your spine. Slow, controlled movements. Give me one more. Excellent work. All right. So the next one, we're going to turn our feet out because we are going to be engaging these inner thighs. Okay, pulse and come up. And when you come up, you're going to lift the heel of the right, left leg, alternating between the right and the left. Lift the heel and go down, and opposite heel comes up. And you can immediately feel the engagement of these inner thighs. And once again, abdominal muscles are pulled in. Protect that spine. And another thing, you guys, depending upon your fitness level, if you do in fact need to go up against the wall or put a chair for extra stability, then you do exactly that. Nice work. Okay. The next one, I am using an optional resistance band. Okay, as the knee comes up, my arms come down, and keep your hands, okay, at the end of the resistance band so that you will feel the intensity of this curl. Do your side view. Nice work. And last one, right side. Okay, put that band down. And the next one, we are definitely going to challenge our balance because we are doing a lateral lift, you guys. So once again, if you need a wall, need a chair for stability, then you do exactly that. Okay, we're gonna lift and lift. And halfway through, we're gonna switch over to the opposite side. Give me one more. Stabilize yourselves. Okay, and lift. And lift. Nice work. And last one. And there we have it. 4 functional exercises to engage these lower body muscles to help us with our daily living activities, things that a lot of times that we don't even think about, we take for granted that we are able to do until it's too late when we cannot do them, you guys. So what I want you to do is to continue to challenge these muscles. I showed you one full round of these exercises. Press replay on this workout and do it 1 or 2 more times. And in addition to that, you can also combine this workout with some of my other short segment workouts to extend the time, particularly get some more cardio in. So you guys, I want to thank you all so very much for for being here and being a part of this community. And remember, as I always say here, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.